Alright, well, I just want to thank the company for coming out and debugging the issues that we were having in the machine. They pretty much came out short notice and pretty much connected both machines, troubleshooted for us, got it up and running within 48 hours, and yeah, we've had no issues with them for the past year and a half that we've been using them, and it's been always an easy, quick transition, and we appreciate the work that the tech came out and did, and Mr. Johnson, and just the whole team. Has been a great experience. No issues, and they always come to us and do their job. We appreciate all the work and keep using them in the future. Appreciate it.